Okay, hello everyone, I'm Sugandhi here. Welcome back to my mind map presentation for this week. Okay, for this week, I will explain you about subtopic 9.4. What are the challenges that enterprise application face, and the second element, how are enterprise application taking advantage of new technologies from chapter achieving operational excellence and customer intimacy that mainly focus for enterprise application. Okay, first challenges is highly expensive to purchase and implement enterprise application. Okay, enterprise application involves complex pieces of software that are very expensive to purchase and implement. It might take a large Fortune 500 company several years to complete a large-scale implementation of an enterprise system or a system for supply chain system that in short form SCM or Customer Relationship Management or CRM. Okay. Okay, second changes is the fundamental changes. Okay, enterprise application require not only deep-seated technological changes but also fundamental changes in the way the business operates. Companies must take sweeping changes to their business process to work with the software. Employees must accept new job function and responsibility. They must learn how to perform a new set of work activities and understand how the information they enter into the system can affect other parts of the company. Okay, this requires new organizational learning and should also be factored into employment relationship management implementation courses. Okay, system require supply chain management system require multiple organization to share information and business process. Each participant in the system may have to change some of its processes and the way it uses information to create a system that best serves the supply chain as a whole. Some firms experienced enormous operating problems and losses when the first implemented organization change was required. Okay, next, enterprise applications also introduce switching costs. Okay, when you adopt an enterprise from a single vendor, such as a SAP, Oracle, or others, it's a very costly to switch vendors from, and the firm become dependent on the vendors to upgrade its product and maintain the installation. Enterprise applications are based on organization-wide definition of data. Organization need to understand exactly how the business uses data and how the data would be organized in customer relationship management and supply chain management and employee relationship management system. Okay, customer relationship management system typically requires some data cleansing work. Okay. Okay, enterprise software vendors are addressing the problems by offering uh, pared down version of their software and past started programs for small and medium-sized businesses and best practice guidelines for large companies. Companies are also achieving more facilities, flexibility by using cloud um, by using cloud application for function not addressed by the basic enterprise software, so that they are not constrained by a single do it all type of system. Companies adopting enterprise application can also save time and money by keeping customization to a minimum. Okay. Second element, how are enterprise application taking advantage of new technology. These are some advantage that enterprise application taking of new technology. First, today enterprise application vendors are developing more value by becoming more flexible, web able, mobile, and capable of integration with other systems. The major enterprise software vendors are creating what they call enterprise solution, enterprise suites or e-business suites to make their customer relationship management, supply chain management, and employee relationship management system work closely with each other and link to system customers and suppliers. Okay. SAP Business Suites, Oracle e-business suites, and Microsoft Dynamics suites aimed at mid-sized companies. And example, they are used web service and service-oriented architecture that called SOA. Okay. Next, SAP Next Generation App Enterprise Application incorporate SOA service oriented architecture standard can be linked SAP's own application and web services developed by independent software vendors. Oracle okay. Oracle also has included service-oriented architecture and business process management capability in its Fusion middleware product. Businesses can use these tools to create platform for new or improved business processes that integrate information from multiple applications. Next generation enterprise application also include open source and cloud solution, as well as more functionality available on mobile platform. For small and medium sized businesses, SAP offers cloud-based version of its Business One and Businesses by Design enterprise software solution. Cloud-based enterprise systems are also offered by smaller vendors such as NetSuite and Flex System, but they are not as popular as cloud-based customer relationship product. As cloud-based product mature, more companies will be choosing to run all or parts of their enterprise application in cloud on an as needed basis through internet connected computers or mobile service to deliver its service. They will not incur the cost of maintaining their own hardware, and the software will be charged on a metered basis. Okay. Social customer relationship management software vendors are enhancing their product to take advantage of social networking technologies. These social enhancement help firms identify new ideas more rapidly, improve team productivity, and deepen interaction with customers. Using social uh, CRM in short form tools, businesses can better engage with their customers by, for example, analyzing their sentiment about the products and services. Social CRM tools enable a businesses to connect customer conversation and relationship from social networking sites to CRM processes. The leading CRM vendors now offer such tools to link data from social network into their CRM software. Okay, SAP and Oracle CRM products new feature technology to monitor track and analyze social media activities in Facebook, LinkedIn, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and other sites. Okay. Third, business intelligence and analysis software vendors such as SAS also have capabilities for social media analytic with several measures for customer engagement across a variety of social networks, along with a campaign management tools for testing and optimizing both social and traditional web-based campaigns. Sales if an ad agency want to run a targeted Facebook or Twitter ad, this capability make it possible to aim the ad specifically at the people in the client's lead pipeline who are already being tracked in CRM system. Users will able to view tweets as they take place in the real time and perhaps uncover new leads. They can also manage multiple campaigns and compare them all the figure out which one generate to the highest click-through rates and cost per click. Business features to help managers obtain more meaningful information from the massive amounts of data this system generate. Okay, SAP now make it possible for its enterprise application to use HANA in the memory computing technology so that they are capable of much more rapid and complex data analysis. Includes tools for flexible reporting, ad hoc analysis, interactive dashboards, what if scenario analysis, and data visualization. The vendors are starting to embed analytic within the context of the application itself. They are also offering complementary analytics products such as SAP Business Project and Oracle Business Intelligence Enterprise Edition. The major enterprise application vendors offer portions of their product that work on mobile and else. Thank you.